All right, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, my favorite day to trade. Okay, let's see what's going on. So I have a GDST on right now that I purchased a little bit earlier ago. Right at that yellow line, I have three targets. One is way up there at 640 something. All right, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, my favorite day to trade. All right, get a little feedback there. All right, so we bought at the yellow line. I do have a couple targets here. I have one at 20. And I think the second one is going to be at 23. We do have a E-mini S&P getting a short in here right now. So let's take a look at that. All right, selling my E-mini S&P right here. This is going to be an HF1 short on the E-mini. All right, do have a profit target down here sitting at, let's see here, 41.5975. And we'll hold on to this unless it comes up to 41.70 and a half. That would be my reversal. All right, so let's take a look at the ES real quick. Let's look at that chart. All right, short at the yellow line here. Target 41.5975. Nothing on the mini Russell. Did have a short earlier. I did not catch it. Mini Russell's already had a short. Mini NASDAQ. Don't see anything on the mini NASDAQ. Not seeing anything on natural gas. And nothing on gold. Let that go. All right. All right, let's get back to JDST because I am long JDST. So we did hit target number one on JDST. Target number 2 is going to be 623. And then up to 643. Bond GDST at 615. Got a 5 cents 5 cents profit on it so far. All right, let's see if we can get up into the 40s. I'm gonna take a look at just a few other things here real quick. ENBB seems to be on everybody's radar. Looks like ENBB can pull back a little bit here. I see you just under $1. Get some nice buy down here around 93 cents. Don't like the looks of it. Looks like it may want to go lower here. All right, let's look at ALIM was another one. Still going through a pullback. We may get a buy later on. I'm going to watch that. We'll keep that on the radar. WLGS. Nothing there. IFBD was another one. Not seeing anything there. Morning, Glenn. How are you this morning? Yeah, yesterday was, oh man, what a trading too many things at once. Big mistake yesterday. But you know what? That happens, you know? I don't care how long you've been trading. Mistakes are going to be made. But we always like Thursdays. Thursday seems to be one of those really good days to trade. If I had to pick one day to trade, it would just be on Thursdays, maybe Sunday nights and Thursdays. Sunday nights for the Forex, Thursdays for everything else. Seeing what this IFBD wants to do here. Not ready yet to jump on that. All right, what else do we have here? Let's look at. Look at BPLD. BLTK could move higher later on. I just don't see any opportunities right here. Take a look at WLGS. Have to keep an eye on WLGS. Like to see it pull back a little bit, and then maybe we'll get a setup on that. So we're going to keep an eye on WLGS. What else do we have? All right. This could heat up after watching ENVB. That could heat up after the opening. Still about another 15 minutes or so to go. So I'm going to wait on that. We'll watch that. All right. CWD volume's pretty decent. Okay, spread. You know, it definitely has some potential. Let's see, where are we here? Spread's awfully big. I like this. I like CWD, but we have a 10-cent spread that put me in the hole immediately. So I'd see if we can tighten up a little bit on this bid ask, and then maybe put on a little bit of CWD on. All right, we'll come back, revisit that. Let's look at, let's see, what else do we have here? All right, FRDT. I see a little bit more activity in there, but I like the looks of some of these patterns that are starting to set up. I mean, I see possibility run up to, let's see. I do see a 170 target. $182 target. NBTI. All right. I'm not going to jump into FRGT, but it is something worth watching. We'll keep an eye on it. Okay, I'm going to put a light position on WLGS. WLGS. Okay, going light here at WLGS, bought it at 223. I do have a target sitting up here at 260. All right, this is an HF3 buy. HF3 buy, 223. DNSP. 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 All right, I have a 250 target. That's what I'm doing here, looking at the different time frames, looking see where Einstein is projecting. I've got a couple patterns set up. I'm at 239. All right, let's see what that wants to do. And at 223. All right, let's check on our JDST, still on JDST. I want to hold this through the opening, see if we can get a nice little pop. All right, still short the E-mini S&P. Small down, mini Dow's down 95. Still looking for that 59.75 target. Same thing. All right, so liking what I'm seeing on JDST, WLGS. I think WLGS is going to have a nice little pop after the opening, so we'll see. If we don't get that pop, I'll go ahead and get out of it. But I wouldn't be surprised. You got a lot of buying down here. You come down here, even around 215, all the way down. You got some pretty nice buying. Of course, I know you have some selling up here on 25, 30. All right, once again, I'm in at 23 on this WLGS. We're back up to 23. I like this nice little volume spike here on the 1 minute chart. That's your VWAP. A lot of people watch that for support and resistance. This is your time and sales on the bottom right hand side. I'm just looking at the kind of order size coming in. A lot of buying at 1921. We're going to pop here after the opening. Okay, so we got a little bit more than 3 minutes to go here. I want to keep an eye on WLGS. JDST is going to be a little bit slower mover, so I don't really have to keep my eyes on that too much. I like JDST. I've done a lot. I've been doing a lot of trade on JDST here the last several weeks. It's been really good to me. I want to watch WLGS here. So watch WLGS as we go into the opening. NERV. All right, 2 minutes ago here before the opening bell. I've been watching ZIMV. It's almost $1 spread on that. That's crazy. No volume. All right. See if we can get that pop in here. Last 10 minutes ago before the opening bell. Mini Dow's down 98, 97. Have a light position on WLGS. All right, let's see what happens here. WLG. Let's get our run. WKSP, YCBD, NERV, STKS, CMLS, RVPH, AEHL, DEV. Okay, I added to my WLGS. VIR. TKLB. See if we can't get up to 40. I think this is 50 or 51. JDST is looking good for me. Look, JDST. AEHL. Let's go back to WLGS because I want to watch this so I can manage it and get out. $239 is going to be that first target. then 250. All right, we're still short the E-mini. Let's look at E-mini real quick. Still short the E-mini. Target 59.75.
CKLE VIR
$230. Let's see if we can get up to 239, 240. Should have no problem getting up to 239. Wow, look at that big 10,000 order, 227.
CKLE
All right, it did hit target number one. I'm going to get out of target number one, take my profit. I'm out of that.
CNSP
Took my profit on WLGS. Let's look at JDSP. JS also moving much higher than through two targets. Target number three sitting up here, 43, 44.
OGCP, FNWD.
NSPR GSIT
I guess I can pick a WLGS. I'm out of WLGS. After it hit target number one, I went ahead, I got out.
GSIT
Let's look at GSIT. GSIT.
GSIT.
Like to see a little bit more volume come in on that. 3-cent spread.
WEBL. VOXX. PLY base.
All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to buy just very light GSIT. Have a target up here at 465.
WEBL. VOXX.
All right, so GSIT, that is an HF1 buy.
ACHV.
All right, I got a couple hundred shares on that, going light. I'm in right here at 50.
OGCP,
There she goes.
FNWD.
Once again, target on this is going to bring me up to 65, 465.
WEBL.
Still on JDST. JDST did hit level 3. I can profit on JDST and out of JDST. Only thing I have right now is a GSIT.
APEI. WEBL.
Let me get up to 65 on this. Don't want to play this too long. Get up to 65, get out.
WEBL. GSIT. APEI.
Right, for those watching us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, hit that notification bell. We'll keep you updated on any new of our videos coming out. We do have some new videos coming out. Be watching for that. We also do a daily recap, or I'll do a recap at the end of the day. Share how I did for the overall day trading. I do trade for approximately 3 hours in the morning. I will do a little bit in the afternoon if I see something that I like, but the majority of my trade is going to be within that first 3 hours in the morning. And I trade a little bit of everything. Trade a little bit of stocks, trade some indices, trade gold. I'm trading gold. Not doing that much on silver right now. Doing some gold, doing some crude oil, natural gas. All right, so we did hit 65. I'm out. All right, so I'm at it. So I'm flat. I don't have any stocks on. The only thing I am is I'm still short on the E-mini S&P. This is my short at this yellow line.
ELTK, ENVB.
GSIT. PRHC. GSIT. GSIT.
Already out of GSIT. Look at that thing. Oh.
GSIT. CNPS. WEBL. SIEM.
Look at that GSIT. It's just exploded to the upside. I'm getting some additional targets on GSIT. Let's see here. I did not have these earlier, but this new pattern just set up for 513. Wow, 513.
IEHL.
Yeah, 513.
KLE.
All right, let's see. I really don't like to jump back in on something that I just got out of. Typically like to hit it for one time, then get out. Look at ENVB. ENVB is going to go higher. I want to buy a little bit of ENVB.
XIN.
Okay, buy a little bit of ENVB. All right, have a little short, small position on ENVB. It's already moving to one of its targets, 71.
CNPS.
And then we have an 80.
DTEC. CNPS.
All right, it hit that first target already, a 71. I wanted to hold this too long in here, so I'm watching it.
ELTK.
A lot of these orders are just scalpers getting out.
RVPH. STKS. CONN. CUEN.
All right, getting up, hitting, let's see, we'll get up here to 80. Back again through first target.
TALS. CKLF. CKPT. STKS.
Gonna go out. I went ahead and got out of ENVB. Bought in at 65. Got out at bought in at 65, got out at 58. And it looks like it may want to start coming down a little bit. All right, so out of that, still short the E-mini S&P. All right, not seeing anything in here that I'm too excited about.
GSIT. XIN. GSIT.
VSIT.
XIN.
Looks like it is going to get up to that 513 level. Interesting.
XIN. GSIT. NNSP. CONN.
All right, so it did hit that 513 level. See if we have anything else. Not really seeing any additional patterns. Let me check one other thing.
CNSP. CHNO. DSIT.
All right.
CKPT, DALS,
All right. So I'm looking at a little bit further on GSIT. I'm going to say 550. I think we can come up to 550 sometime today. 550. Kind of mark that and just kind of watch it here. 550. All right, so we are here once again at the top of the hour. If you would like more information on my trading approach, say one I've used for the last 35 years of my 40-year career, you can find that at innovativetradingstrategies.com. Also check out my YouTube channel. I have, I think, well over 1,000 videos right now. A lot of information out there, more information on my strategies that I use. And the way that I look at the markets, which is different than most.
GSIT.
I think that, yeah, GSIT starts getting on the move again. All right, so that's going to wrap it up. Everybody have a good day, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.